So we've invited the parents of the grade 1 students in to take part in a Parent Maker Challenge. So parents are coming in to work with their children to explore different materials, properties of materials, and also to go through the design cycle. So they're going through different stations, building creations, testing them out, and then improving their designs, and they're doing it together with their children.
Well, I hope to see both. I hope to see them both be involved in it, inquiring, teaching, listening, working together, trying out things that they don't know if it's going to work or not. Just not being afraid to try things out and explore it and take it further and have fun.
When you walk into those grade 1 classrooms this morning, there's an amazing buzz as the parents and the kids are experimenting, they're playing with different materials. One of the best things to see is when they make something and test it, and then they go back to the design cycle and they make some adjustments together. And one of the best things I think also about it is that none of the parents are kind of taking over. They all understand what we're trying to do in this school, which is to get the kids to do the thinking. So they're there next and helping the kids do the thinking rather than taking over themselves, which makes the experience much more powerful.
I think these are the type of opportunities we need to see more of in a school. Anytime, especially when you're looking at stuff like materials, this is a great way to get kids caught into the whole process. It's a really great provocation for them.
The mini exhibition was a great way for students to develop transdisciplinary skills. Within research, we focused on planning, where students use the design cycle to guide them with this process. We feel our students are very capable, so they were independent through this process. So the self-management skill that we focused on was time management. For the thinking skills, we focused on application and synthesis. Students use their knowledge of materials and their properties and use this in practical and new ways when designing their products. Presenting was our focus for communication skills. Students presented in written and visual form. They presented their final product to different audiences, students younger and older than their parents and teachers. The mini exhibition was a really successful way for students to develop these skills that were in a meaningful form to them.
We also had a wonderful range of parent involvement. Not only were they interested in their own child's project and children that they knew, but majority of them took the time to go out of their way and speak to children that they didn't know and inquire about the materials that that student had used and the reasoning behind their design process. And the children really enjoyed that involvement with other adults and were really proud of themselves that they could explain it and get the positive feedback from not only the parents but from the other students as well.